Hi, this is Ken Rizza with Woodturners Wonders. Today I want to reintroduce to you a product that we had a while ago. This is actually the old one. We called it our one-stop double stop caliper. And quite frankly, it was a great idea, poorly executed. We weren't real happy with the quality of these things. They were made flat. They didn't line up too well. The knobs on it were too small. I'll go over the function of them here in a second. But we now have a really nice one, and wanted to reintroduce the product to you and show you just about how it works. You know, typically when people want to check the thickness of the bowl, they might use an object like this, and they bring it in, and they, you know, but the inherent problem with this and a lot of the other ones is, you know, the thing will move in and out, you know, based on the thickness of what you actually turned. And there's a lot of different styles of them. Here's another one that does the same thing, and here's another one. There's a lot of different ones on the market, but they all inherently have the same issue. And that when I go in there to check the thickness of my bowl, you know, sure enough, I mean, we'll be able to see the difference in the thickness, but it doesn't really help you calibrate anything. It just will tell you you have something that's not evenly cut throughout the whole width of it. This was the inspiration for our one-stop double stop caliper here. And you'll notice that there's a wheel on the inside as well as a wheel on the outside, and for good reason. You can basically dial in the thickness that you want for your bowl. And let's say we want to set it right there, okay? And now I could bring the thing in and squeeze it and check the thickness of my bowl, and it'll tell me where my high and low spots are, okay? And the reason why the stop on the inside is like this bowl, and a lot of bowls, they have rims on them. So if I was just to set this, okay, like a lot of normal calipers, and close it up on the outside of the wheel, I wouldn't be able to get over the rim. So by having the wheel on the inside, I can now just set it for the distance of the thickness that I want from my bowl, open it up over the rim, bring it in, and I can check for thickness on my bowl throughout and make, you know, maybe even a mark with a pencil where it might be a little bit thick. Another good way of using it is, let's say you have a tenon on your favorite chuck, and you know that when you cut your tenon, it has to be a certain thickness. You can move the inside wheel outwards, take the outside wheel and bring it inwards, and that'll lock this thing tight as a drum. So when you go to cut your tenon, you'll have it set exactly the way you want it for your tenon size. So this is our double stop caliper. It's a nice heavy duty unit. They won't bend, they won't flex, they won't get out of alignment for you. It's a good product. It's made out of brushed steel, and I do believe you're going to enjoy it and see the benefit of it when you start using it. This is Ken Rizza, Woodturners Wonders. Thank you very much.